Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix high ping in Free Fire. So first, check your internet connection and make sure you're using a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. And if possible, move closer to your Wi-Fi router or switch to another network to see if the ping improves. Next, close the other apps that may be using your internet connection in the background. Now restart your router and your phone, then open Free Fire again. Inside the game, check your network or connection settings and make sure you're using the appropriate options for your connection. And you need to avoid using a VPN unless you specifically need one, since it can sometimes increase latency. Also make sure Free Fire is updated to the latest version. If your ping is suddenly high even with a good connection, then check whether there are server or regional issues affecting the game. So that was how to troubleshoot high ping in Free Fire. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.